Many people they ask me, how did I improve my English? How do I practice English language? So I'm going to answer in this video. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. My friend, I just did 5 things to improve my English. Can you just believe? Really, it's so simple. You just have to do 5 things if you want to improve English language. And let me tell you one by one. These all are very simple. If you do it, you can also improve your English. But my friend, it takes time. So first thing what I did, I started listening English language that you may have heard many times from me, right? So if you want to learn any language, then first thing you should do, start listening. So you might be listening, right? And that's why you are watching my video, because you are listening English language so that you can speak this language, right? So you are on the track. And second thing I started reading. Yes, you heard me right. I started reading books, and reading helped me a lot to improve my English. Okay? So if you want to learn English language fast way, then start reading books, because it is going to help you to enhance your English, to improve your English fast way. Okay? And third things, I started writing also. Writing, it was very difficult for me because I wasn't good at reading and writing, but I did it, or I've been doing it for a long time so that I can improve English language. Because the reason is I like this language, or I want to improve English language, that's why. Okay, so I started writing also. That was hard nut to crack for me. I mean, it was very difficult for me. However, I tried and I started writing, and now also I write, not a lot, just some words, some sentences, or I started writing story so that I could speak in front of my friends. For that reason, I started writing story as well. The fourth one is learning grammar. My friend, learning grammar was very difficult for me. I wasn't able to understand. I thought English is very difficult, and just because of the grammar. Grammar was very difficult for me. I wasn't able to understand anything at all. So what did I do to understand grammar? I started watching video, and really YouTube helped me a lot to improve my English, to learn grammar, to do many things in my life. So thanks to YouTube. So yeah, I watched many video related to grammar, and after watching video, after learning grammar, I wasn't able to apply. I mean, while speaking, I wasn't able to use them. And that might be happening with you also, right? So don't worry, it takes time. Okay, you might be thinking that, okay, I know grammar, but I'm unable to use them. And same thing happened with the vocabulary also. You might be learning a lot of vocabulary but unable to use them. So my friend, learn, and one day you will be able to use, but you should start trying. Okay, so what happened when I started learning grammar and I wasn't able to apply them? I thought it's really very difficult. However, I kept trying, and it took few months that whatever I had learned, I started applying also. I started practicing, but yeah, it took a lot of effort, to be honest. So in your case also, if you want to improve your English, do these all things. And finally, last but not the least, that is speaking. Speaking plays vital role. Yes, my friend, without speaking practice, you cannot speak this language. So, if you want to speak English language fluently, then from today onwards, you should start speaking. No matter with whom, you can speak alone. You should speak with trees, with books, with walls, or if you are alone, just talk to yourself or do anything, but in that one, your speaking should be involved. So speak this language if you want to speak this language fluently and effortlessly. My friend, it was very, very difficult than other things. I mean, listening, reading, learning grammar, or writing. These all things were a little easier for me, but speaking was way beyond difficult for me, because I wasn't able to speak with anyone due to fear, due to lack of confidence. So many things were happening with me. But now I speak. Now I don't get fear or afraid of making mistakes and all. And it doesn't mean that I don't make mistakes. My friend, I make mistakes, you know. So in your case also, if you keep speaking, so in flow, if you make mistakes, you will not care in future, but you might be caring nowadays. Sometimes it's okay to care about your mistakes and all, because if you care, then you can work on it, right? But caring too much is not good, because it can hold your fluency. So care little bit, don't care so much, otherwise it will not let you speak this language fluently. Okay, so I did these 5 things. First one, listening, reading, writing, learning grammar, and then speaking. These 5 things I did. These all are very easy, but the last one is little difficult. I mean, speaking practice is little difficult, it seems, but once you start speaking, it will be easy. Day by day you will feel that it's easy. Okay, starting it's really very hard. So this is the thing I did. My friend, it's winter season, it's very cold, we are unable to see the sun because of the cold weather, or I think it's little bit cloudy also. That's why we are unable to see the sun, but no problem. We have to just survive, right? So this is the thing. As you can see, friend, weather is very cold, it's evening time, it's 5 o'clock, I'm recording my video. In my camera it seems like it's little bright day, but no, it's very dark day. But maybe just because of my mobile camera it's little bright, but it's very cold and dark type of, you can see everywhere fog. And due to cold weather, sometime I feel that I should not make video, but I'm creating video here. So this is the thing. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.